with the golf cart bill. Today we're going to be installing the new intake and a brand new carburetor. With that being said, we might even fire it up today. So y'all stick around. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we got everything all hooked up. Carbs on, batteries in. Made a intake tube out of a leaf blower to mount the filter. So that worked out pretty good. I guess all we got left, let's go ahead and fire up. Well, there she is. She fired up. So I guess now would be the time to do what everybody's been waiting for. I think we will go ahead and take her out and go do a quick little lap around the yard, see how it does. So let's go outside and let's go make a quick little spin on it. Alright guys, there y'all have it. Running, driving on its own power. That's gonna wrap up this video for now. But y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. We've got plenty in the works for this project. We're gonna be thinking of colors, putting the roof and all right back on it. I want to get the back seat that folds down to a flat deck to be able to haul stuff. I want to install that on here. And we got a lot of filler plates to put in for the console and start filling in the holes. Probably going to use diamond plate. So with that being said, y'all stick around and we're going to have more coming soon.